Good afternoon. My name is Randall Jenkins, and I am going to be doing this video for copy and paste ads. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is a game changer here. I have been in multiple different businesses and multiple streams of income, but I have not come across an opportunity that is as simple as this. And I'm going to show you how simple this is. This is copy and paste ads, and just like the video says, this is going to get you to take action. If you want a home-based business where you can have $100 coming straight to your PayPal account, this is the business for you. I'm just going to show you around a little bit, and then I'm going to show you proof of what I am making and that what you can do too. Now, we're going to go to the members area, and you can see my link right here, JMG56. This is my link, and you can see our leads are already coming in right here. So we have our pages here, our capture page. You have different capture pages when you come and you actually log into the system. There's a lot of different capture pages you can use, and you can fill out which one is best for you. So you can see right here all types of different capture pages. I'm using the one in the center. And then we have resources, voicemail instructions right here. We have sample ads, Craigslist posting tips in cities. So it teaches you how to list on Craigslist. It's very simple. And then we have 100 other places that you can advertise for free. You can also have a voicemail message done where you leave your cell number for people on Facebook, and also text and email. Right here we have traffic. We have a text blaster, text blasting software, a solo ad rotator for you, and voice broadcasting. Ladies and gentlemen, this is as simple as I can tell you that you can bring in $100 to $300 every day when you get this simple copy and paste system. Very simple. Okay? All you're going to do, if you can copy and paste, you're going to copy and paste an ad right here. And then, let's see here. Where is it at? Where is it at? Okay. You're going to copy and paste sample ads right here. And then you're going to put in your username. And then people are going to text the username to a number right here. You can see the sample ad right here. And you're going to put in your username. And people are going to text your username to that phone number. And then that phone number is going to automatically send them a link, your link, to their cell phone. 94% of people look at their cell phone more than anything now. Okay? So, with that being said, I've showed you around the site. I'm not going to show you everything because this is a lot for you. But I'm going to show you proof of what I've done in 2018. Now, this is 2018 right here of what I've done with copy and paste ads, 15,000. And let me log out right here so that I can log back in, and you can see that that's really me. Okay, so I'm going to log out. It's a little slow moving, but we're going to get it done here. And then I'm logging back in. You can see my email, jenkinsrandall2010@yahoo.com. And then I'm going to log in here. And then you can see what I'm doing myself with copy and paste ads. And I know that you can do it too. This is not MLM. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is a legitimate copy and paste business that you can have. And let me go ahead and get it out there now, the elephant in the room. Let me get it out there now. It's $149. $49 goes to the admin, $100 goes to you. And that's it, a one-time fee, $149 for you to have your own online business copy and paste ads. Okay? Now, what I'm going to do, and as I showed you, I'm going into my PayPal. I've just went into it, and let's see what I've done for in 2018 with copy and paste. Okay, $15,985, and so far in 2019, I've done let's see, $1,190. Okay, you can do this too, and copy and paste ads if you put in the work. I'm also going to help you. I'm going to help you. Now, these are the bonuses that I'm going to give you myself. When you join with me, and when you click at the bottom, like this video, and also if you haven't, subscribe to my YouTube channel. What I'm going to do though, one of the bonuses that I'm going to give you is I'm going to give you my top resources of solo ads, of where I get my ads from, the leads from, so that you can get leads, and by getting leads you're going to build your list to get sales. And I'm also going to give you one-on-one coaching. One-on-one coaching, okay? A lot of people won't do that. A lot of the leaders will not give you that time, but I'm going to give you one-on-one coaching for about 30 or 45 minutes so we can get you all set up, okay? So that's what I'm going to do for you. My name is Randall Jenkins. Click on the link at the bottom, join, so let's get you started, and you can start making money with copy and paste ads. Okay? All right. We love you, and we'll talk.